Worry about yourself and don't worry about nobody. Drinking water, eating fruit, taking care of my body.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle, and today, sorry I'm a little bit sick, but I'm gonna show you how I took this beautiful curly wig to this even more beautiful curly fro. This hair is from Diosa hair. As you can now chemical wave. I haven't used these since hair school, so I'm excited to use them. I'm gonna use the purple and the orange, mainly because I don't have enough orange to do the whole head, and I didn't want to do all purple, so I'm just gonna switch it up. And this part is super easy, super simple. I'm just putting it on the rod, rolling it up, twisting it. I did this little twist because it'll help the rod stay in place, otherwise they would just fall straight off. I'm not doing any specific anything, I'm just going with the flow, rolling it up, twisting it, letting it go. And please excuse my nails. As you know, well, if you watch my videos, you know I'm not a nail girl, but today they was a little long. I should cut them, but yeah. Oh, actually I did do something specific. When I twist, I always try to twist it towards the wall, so not towards the camera. Get a little baby hair, and my new thing to do is set my baby hair with the freeze blast, because obviously it makes it stay and it stops me from having to glue the wig down to my head. It's like a lazy way to secure your wig. And that is pretty much it. This hairstyle is so cute. I tried half up in the middle. I tried a little shift to the side. I just played around with it until I liked it and I actually loved it. This hair is again from Amazon. You know, I love Amazon hair. It was soft, it was beautiful. It came in this nice black. Like really, I didn't have to do much of anything to this hair. I just did the perm rods, and good thing about it, when you want to go back to the sleek curly look, just spray it down with some water and she is back. If you want to check out this hair, it will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with me and my hair reviews, and yes, I'll see you in my next video.